Who's that handsome devil in the reflection? So hey YouTube, it's Andrew, the Bearded Giant. I'm headed back home from bebopping around in Portland for a bit. And I'm gonna take a road. I'm on a road called Burnside right now. Gonna head up and connect to Skyline, which runs along a ridge between Multnomah County and Washington County. And it'll take me pretty close to the town I live in. I'll just drop down off the hill. It's a nice ride. It's a mix of some forest and some high-end neighborhoods and some farmlands. So I was talking with my mom this morning, and she just got back from a trip, and we're talking about hobbies she has and things she wants to do, and she wants to start a little side business. And I suggested that she make some beard oil and sell that. She's into the essential oils and all that sort of stuff, making her own soap and making natural deodorant. So I think she'd do a really good job at it, you know. Buy some bottles and labels wholesale and make it and market it. Who knows, if she gets this thing going, maybe I'll do a video or two on it. Gary, my brother-in-law, he's the bearded woodworker. Heck, maybe we could get a little family business going. We could have the Bearded Giant. We could have the Bearded Giant and the bearded woodworker hawking my mom's beard oil. And that'd be kind of fun. So we'll see. We'll see if that happens. I hope it does. It'll be fun. And I can get some beard oil out of it. So now we're on Skyline. Probably noon or so, about 50 degrees. Man, it's lovely out, having the sun out in the end of March. So a little bit later today, I'm going over to my buddy Brandon's. His wife Jennifer is having a little birthday party today. Should be fun. Always a good group of people there. A couple other people who ride. A couple people who used to ride. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a section of this road where they have speed bumps. Back when I used to be a contractor, I had a painting business and some finished work. I bid on a couple of jobs up here. Didn't get any, but I did do some subcontract work for a guy who did some railing at what they call the Street of Dreams. It's a showcase of new homes every year, and they show some of the latest innovations and in home design, appliances and whatnot. And I finished the metal posts in stainless steel paint. So you know how it used to be back in the day, they mixed lead dust in with the paint, and that would make it a very durable paint. But unfortunately, it's neurologically toxic if you eat the paint chips or eat the paint dust and ingest the dust. Anyway, the newest, latest, and greatest thing along those lines is stainless steel dust in the paint to give it the durability. So we'll see what will happen in 20-30 years when kids are eating the paint chips from stainless steel paint. Hopefully nothing. Boy, would hate to be a party to that. But it was fun to work with. I forgot, I also had some furniture at that same Street of Dreams that year. My buddy who did the railing also did some work on a live edge table and chairs for a dining room set, and I did the finished work on that. I used a conversion varnish. It's very durable. Those turned out great. I wonder if I have some pictures. I probably have some pictures somewhere I should post up at some point. Oh, I just passed a street where I did some work for people. They bought this house and they hired me. There's a McMansion. They hired me to change all the light bulbs in their house because the ceilings in some places were 20 feet tall. So before they moved in, they wanted all new lights, all new light bulbs, and that was kind of fun. That was many years ago. For a while, I was still using those bulbs I pulled out of their house in my own house. What a great day.